Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. And in this video I'm going to talk about the top 5 websites where you can sell online your products and earn money. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to up till now. So let's jump into the video straight away. So okay, now on number 5th is aliexpress.com and shopping for popular electronics, car, fashion, anything like that. So it is a good website. You can see on my desktop screen over there, and the links are in the description, so you can see this website and visit it and create an account and sell online. So now AliExpress has now become a downfall after Amazon and Shopify and another platform, but it is a good website. If you want to sell online your products, you can also sell make your product over here visible over here, so customer can visit and take your product or buy your product. It has app as well, and it has categories of products as well. It has many categories you can see over here, and it is free for Pakistanis, like Pakistan, free delivery in Pakistan it has available. So it is free for Pakistani. If you are a Pakistan watching this video, so AliExpress is very good for us. So moving on to number 4th is Etsy.com. I don't know what you read for it, but I call it Etsy, and Etsy had made its name for itself. It is a two-factor marketplace. It is for handicraft and handmade items. You can sell your handmade or handicraft item on this website as well. So it has 54 million plus members and 35.8 million active buyers and 98 plus million sellers in 83 countries, which is a big amount and big range of numbers. So marketing tools in this website make it easy to create promotions or coupon codes for your sellers, and seller can customize items of their product as well. So it is another good website, and it has made it name for itself as well. If you are expert in making something by your hands or handicrafts, so you can sold them over here and people will buy them. And you can see, you have also seen the numbers. It has 35.8 million plus active buyers, not users or customers, active buyers. So that means people are buying things from this website daily and after every single minute. So it is another good website as well. So moving on to number 3rd is Shopify.com, and we all know that it is the best website as well. So Shopify.com, you cannot sell for free on Shopify. You have to create an account. It gives us a trial for I think 1 month or 1 week, and it has 85 plus active Shopify business on its website. It has 1 billion plus active users and up to 100 billion worth of products sold. Payment supports are also over there, and payment is up to 100 external payment gateways. That means your payment is absolutely secured, so no worries about payment. And it has also dashboard which shows the daily analytics of product sales, listing, etc. And it is the best website as well. So make sure to check this out as well. If you have money to invest in business, you can try Shopify as well. Moving on to number 2nd is ebay.com, and ebay.com is another one of my favorite website. So one of the most familiar and longest standing e-commerce marketplace. It has a seller protection, manage payment offered option, growth tool, inventory optimization. And one of the bad thing about e-commerce, and I think which is very bad, is that it has two payment. It has two fees. One is for insertion your product, like if you are inserting your product in eBay, it has a fee, and the other is on when your product is sold, you have to pay fee for that as well. So I think this is bad for the customers or for the sellers on eBay, which makes a downfall for eBay. But it is still a best website out in the market. Moving to number 1 is Amazon.com, and we all know that one of the top richest person in the world, Jeff Bezos, is have created this site, and it is the best marketplace ever. A major marketplace like eBay, but cheaper than eBay. Huge traffic. It has huge traffic volume. It has built-in algorithm recommend your product on the top if your product is good enough. It has access to seller report, customized shipping rates, no per scale closing fee, which means that no extra fees and no extra selling fees. So use of spreadsheet, feeds, and other links are there, so you can inventory. It has top placement on product detail progress, and it is the best website where you can sell your products online. And my advice to you is that go out there, make your account and start selling. Don't make up to tomorrow or when I have money or everything. Just take money from your friend or other and just start selling on this. And these are the best platform to sell online on any marketplace, and you can earn money up to daily. So sell anything like a headphone or a mobile phone cover or everything or anything you can sell, but sell online and earn money. And thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Thank you very much once again.